ispace completes Success 5 of Mission 2 Milestones Tokyo. Business Wire. ispace, Inc. ispace, Tokyo, 9348, a global lunar exploration company, announced today that the Resilience lunar lander successfully completed a flyby of the Moon on February 15, 2025, reaching its closest point at 22:43 Coordinated Universal Time, February 14, 2025. The Resilience lander came within approximately 8,400 kilometers of the Moon's surface on its flyby, a historic first of its type for a Japanese private commercial lunar lander. RESILIE.
Amazon union push falls short at North Carolina warehouse. The outcome was a setback for workers trying to score a second election success at an Amazon facility. The union vowed to keep trying to organize.
North Carolina Amazon workers vote against unionizing. Workers at an Amazon warehouse in Garner, North Carolina voted against unionizing in election results announced today.
Amazon workers reject union in vote at North Carolina warehouse. Amazon workers at a site in Garner, North Carolina voted against unionizing. Organizers had been campaigning at the warehouse since 2022, hoping to secure higher wages and longer breaks.
Apple aims to bring AI features and spatial content app to Vision Pro. Bloomberg reports Apple is planning to add Apple Intelligence to its Vision Pro headset, along with an updated mode for guest users and a spatial content app as early as April, Bloomberg News reported on Saturday.
Buffett holds Apple shares in sign of support. Warren Buffett filed his holdings with the SEC Form 13F, which covered the most recent calendar quarter, the final quarter of 2024.
TikTok returns to Apple and Google App Stores in the U.S. TikTok has returned to the app stores of Apple and Google in the U.S. after President Donald Trump delayed the enforcement of a TikTok ban.
Think it's too late to buy Berkshire Hathaway? Here's the biggest reason. There's still time. I've said many times before that if I could only own one stock, it would be Berkshire Hathaway. BRK-A minus 0.33%. BRK-B minus 0.19%. In short, investing in Berkshire is like buying a diversified investment portfolio selected by some of the best minds in the industry.
Warren Buffett's 2025 letter to Berkshire shareholders is coming soon. Watch this number. Even Buffett is struggling to outperform this bull market. Berkshire's massive cash stake is key.
Warren Buffett's best single measure of stock valuations just made history, but not in a good way. For more than 2 years, Wall Street has been a stomping ground for the bulls. Since the curtain opened for 2023, the mature stock-powered Dow Jones Industrial Average, DJI minus 0.37%, benchmark S&P 500, GSPC minus 0.01%, and growth-inspired NASDAQ Composite, IXIC 0.41%, have respectively rocketed higher by 34%, 58%, and 88%.
The Schall law firm invites shareholders with losses to join a securities fraud case against TransMedics Group, Inc. Los Angeles, California, ACCESS Newswire, February 15, 2025. The Schall law firm, a national shareholder rights litigation firm, reminds investors of a class action lawsuit against TransMedics Group, Inc. TransMedics or the company, NASDAQ, TMDX, for violations of Sections 10B and 20A of the Securities Exchange Act of 1934 and Rule 10B-5, promulgated thereunder by the U.S. Securities.
TMDX investors have opportunity to lead TransMedics Group, Inc. securities fraud lawsuit with the Schall law firm Los Angeles, Business Wire. TMDX investors have opportunity to lead TransMedics Group, Inc. securities fraud lawsuit with the Schall law firm.
TransMedics Group, Inc. is being investigated for securities law violations, and shareholders with losses are urged to contact the Schall law firm, Los Angeles, California, ACCSS Newswire, February 15, 2025. The Schall law firm, a national shareholder rights litigation firm, announces that it is investigating claims on behalf of investors of TransMedics Group, Inc. TransMedics or the company, NASDAQ TMDX, for violations of the securities laws. The investigation focuses on whether the company ISS